My project for the fellowship focuses on informing homeowners about sustainable gardening practices, particularly about rain gardens and trying to minimize the use of fertilizer to prevent harmful runoff that goes into Salisbury's waterways, and also try and mitigate the frequent flooding that happens around Salisbury. I had never really thought about the little ways that people can prevent or help prevent the impacts of climate change. And then we did a little tour on Salisbury's campus, and they explained the little features of how our sidewalks slope into rain gardens that collect and filter rainwater before it gets back into the waterways. And I thought that was really cool, and something that's so not even noticeable that tons of people could do that in their own gardens or their own yards too. I think it will impact the Salisbury community just by helping the waterways and the rivers that go through Salisbury stay clean. So many people use fertilizer and other sorts of chemicals on their lawns, and having rain gardens that can catch that and help filter some of that out during big rainstorms before it gets into the waterways, even a little bit over a bunch of people's lawns, will be able to create a noticeable impact, I think. I think it's important because we all can have an impact. And again, even if it's just some small thing that you do in your own backyard, if a lot of people start doing it, it creates a much bigger impact and can create a noticeable change. I think it'll help me with my future goals because I want to go into sustainable development, and having the ability or the opportunity to try and put together a project from start to finish in my local community will give me great experience with working with people and implementing sustainable development in even just a smaller way.